Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to completely remove Netsupport School from your computer. Before we begin the uninstallation process, it is crucial to ensure you have full administrative rights on the machine. Additionally, you should stop the Netsupport School student service. You can typically do this through the Tech Console if you have access, or by checking your System Services Manager. This step helps prevent any files from being in use during removal. The most common and recommended method is to use the Windows Control Panel. Start by opening the Control Panel on your computer. Then, find and click on Programs and Features, or add or remove programs, depending on your Windows version. Scroll through the list of installed applications until you find Netsupport School. Once located, select it and click the Uninstall button to initiate the removal process. This will launch the program's dedicated uninstaller. If you prefer, or if the control panel method encounters issues, you can directly access the uninstaller from the installation directory. Typically, Netsupport School installs in your Program Files or Program Files x86 folder on the C drive. Browse to this location and search for an executable file, usually named uninstall, exe or uninst000, exe. Double-clicking this file will launch the same uninstallation wizard, guiding you through the steps to remove the software. Once the uninstallation wizard begins, carefully follow all the on-screen prompts. If you are given options like Modify, Repair, or Remove, always choose Remove to ensure complete deletion. After the uninstallation process indicates it is finished, it is highly recommended to restart your computer. This crucial step helps clear any lingering files or processes from memory, ensuring Netsupport School is fully and cleanly removed from your system. Congratulations, you're done!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.